Hi, hello, welcome to Letham Trading. Now we are going to see Nifty end of the day analysis of 4th August 2022 and the trade setup for tomorrow. See friends, the CPR is in uptrend. What we discussed yesterday, since the CPR is in uptrend, we will go for a call position, and also the market's CPR in Bank Nifty is downtrend. So there is a probability the market may travel from H3 to L3. This is what we discussed. Okay. See the first 5 minutes candle, the market opened a slight gap up, right? See here the market opened here at this point, and observe the first 5 minutes candle. We don't take any trade in the first 5 minutes candle. Okay, observe this first 5 minutes candle. It's a rejection from the top, that is at H4, right? It got rejected from the H4 and it is a bearish it is slides bearish candle, and we don't have a price action here, but we are in a confusion like whether the market is bullish or bearish for some time. But see, we know that since it got rejected with a wick, the market will definitely come to this point for a retest, right? If the body is here and the wick is here, it won't come for retest, but there is a wick, so the market will definitely come for retest to this H4. So okay, will you take a trade here just because of this retesting? No. Why? Because the CPR is in uptrend. Though Bank Nifty's CPR is in downtrend, we don't take put position just because of this retesting, right? See, you feel like this is a consolidation and it was breakout should be H4 breakout, not this range breakout. Some of the people may think like this is a range breakout. No, it's not a range breakout. Most probably in the morning, this consolidation should be below H4 to get a clear breakout. Here it has not even touched any point for a clear breakout. It's just a candles in the space, so we don't take any decision with these candles. Okay, it got rejected and it formed a bearish candle, and so we'll wait for some time. What we discussed, if the market opens between this range, if the market breaks this, we'll go for call. If the market comes to this point, we'll go for call. See, at what time it will come to this point? It almost travels up to 12 o'clock to reach this H3, then we will go for call, right? And we need a clear support also. See this graph, it has reached H3 within 1 hour, right? So it has not even given a clear support, and it has clearly broken the H3. And again, see this bearish candle. Though you don't have a clear price action and you don't have a confirmation, see these candles, these are getting rejected clearly at H3, right? So you can take a call put position here at this point, and your target will be up to, what's our target? That is central pivot, right? Because it is L3. That's all for this today's trade. See, since it is an expiry day, most of the people will feel like I should make lakhs of money today, but they will lose lakhs of money. See, the market will be available every day, but if you lose your capital, how can you get back with your capital? See, imagine if you lose your capital, no one will help you. But if you sustain your capital, market will definitely help you to be in the market. See these candles. This is a very fast and furious fall, right? It's a free fall. See, this type of fall is very volatile, and you should book your profit at your target. Just because the market is falling, if you wait and wait and wait, the market is an expiry day, your complete profit will become zero also, if you are not aware of your risk reward ratio, or if you don't exit at your target. See, this all graph is not according to our setup. We achieved our setup, right? We'll trade with our setup only. So overall today's graph is okay to trade, and we'll move on to the next day. See this graph. What is the relation between today's CPR and tomorrow's CPR? This is inside CPR, and the distance is almost 35 points. It is not wide, this is not narrow, it's an average CPR. See, this is inside CPR, remember, and also Bank Nifty's CPR is narrow CPR. And I don't have a clear price action for tomorrow just because it is an inside CPR. Where generally inside CPR will give us a bullish momentum and the market will be very trendy on inside CPR. But what it is complicated here is, see this is a trend line from many weeks. The Nifty is taking a good resistance with this trend line from many weeks. So if it breaks this trend line, there will be a all-time high possible. So it will majorly act as a resistance. So breaking this is I think it's unimaginable. So if it breaks, I don't want to take trade tomorrow. If and only if I get a clear price action, then only I'll take a trade. Why? Because it's an inside CPR. Generally I saw a market with inside CPR as a bullishness, but I didn't see inside CPR with bearishness, right? So if the market behaves very bearish tomorrow, I just observe the market, I don't trade the market. And also see, we can't take bullish market just because it's a major resistance. So breaking that resistance is not that easy. And also if you observe, generally the H3 to L3 distance will be of 100 points, but here it's almost 180 points from H3 to L3. So anything can happen tomorrow. Just observe the market. That's it. Thank you. I hope this video will help you. Please subscribe to our channel.